Today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid fake products on AliExpress. So first thing first, launch your application and get logged into your account. Let's say you like this product. Now, in order to see if it's fake or not, you have to see its quality. You will recognize if this photo has been straight uploaded from Google or it's actually a media that is uploaded from this store. Scroll below and you will also have to note the seller's information, like the ratings. It is 4.9, which is quite high. Select the seller who has more than 4 ratings and not less than 4. And also see the sold number of items. In my case, this DIY zone store has 30,000 plus selling items. So this could not be a fake product or a fake store. And also see the service commitment, like the refund and return policy, shipping fee and addresses, and most importantly, don't forget to see the reviews. So these are all the things that will let you know that this product is not fake or the store is not fake overall, and you can buy it from here. Thanks for watching.